Hi, I'm Alan Chan, and I'm the owner of MI Games, and I am trying to make video games for you guys to play. I'm gonna show you the 5 levels of the coding that what it should looks like. Is first of all, is playing with the interface only, with HTML and a bit of JavaScript if you like to. Uh, So this is the HTML website for the dummies. Um, what it looks like. I play around with the background image. It's mostly interface only, and a bit of hosting server, but it's not actually holding. It's hosting the websites on like the www, the worldwide website server. It's mostly just for interface, and after you have to upload it down here. Like use Webflow only. Yeah, like don't use the other website builder except for Webflow if you want to use code per codes only. The other website builder does not really um like does not like per code and per your own artworks. Like you have to like for example like GoDaddy.com like usually you're supposed to use other pictures and they give your own templates to make it so it'll make pre-made for you. But Webflow is like per handmade, like what's on the screen looks like. Yeah, like it's per handmade. Uh, and this is what my cheap web design looks like. For it's just drawing interface only. Uh, So what it looks like is you have to have script type, JavaScript, drawing, yeah, and like window on load, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, function, draw, create draw function, put it down here, and play that JavaScript down here, and you click save from before, and you first of all when you create this file, remember to click other and click static web project for uh, for this one drawing website. When you click play, run as go to HTML, the main HTML file, open with web browser, and it plays like this. So this is my cheap website design. This is a website design. It's not a website. To host your website, use this, the Webflow website builder, like per artwork and per coding by itself. Like don't really sometimes if you don't want to use someone else's template, like do GoDaddy.com or something. Uh, let's close this. That's the first level. The second level is Linux. I have this Linux textbook down here. Uh, this is the chart tables. It's not like reading x and y axis. It's most like chart tables only. And this is the mostly like the terminal code for the machine code to load your own host to to load your own server. Kind of. It's not really the worldwide server. It's just like backing up your own server website pages. Same time I was working with it. At the same time, like as editing it as a backup, and then after you host it at the end. That's what it looks like for a server box. That's why you always need a server box. Right? And this is called Linux All for Dummies again, Computer and Tech. It's a new textbook. This is what it looks like. You just play around with terminal codes and the table chart, and then after you get the key, you need to create a security thing before you launch it. Um, yeah, it's pretty tedious. I'm not there yet. I'm just analyzing what the few just what the further coding looks like. And the last one is this one is the web hosting a web server box, and then like the firewall and stuff like those for security with the encryption code or something for security wise, like not just hacking in with a password that easily or something. Like you just like encryption code password instead, the key instead of a password. So that's the second level. The third level is per server. Well, actually, this needs to be installed as Linux. This is Windows. Like you have to reinstall as per Linux account. You can just Google search Linux and .org. Well, it's a whole another platform. It's not Microsoft or anything. And the third level of coding is the server, Java EE. It's more like recording with terminal stuff. I double checked it what it looks like, and down here is well, I also have the textbook as well. It's mostly like recording like someone else's payment, shipping stuff. But you also need something else like for this textbook. Uh, for Java EE, what's new? This is for a bit beginner one. It's for security recording, like security. Well, down here it says security. It means records. JSON is mostly for recording stuff on the website, like to record down what people order and what you send in and shipping, like you send and you ship and stuff and server inside server stuff. As you register like the account, like to buy something from your website. Uh, yeah, and this is Java EE. Yeah, the new Java EE, the Jakarta EE. Um, and also there's Java SE API document. Uh, this is a different document. Uh, and this is Java EE document. Java SE Standard Edition. This is Java Enterprise Edition. And this is Standard Edition. It's a bit different. This is mostly Java Standard Edition is mostly plain interfaces, functions, and uh, text as alphabets and numbers. Uh, and also the interface should be advanced enough that you can actually play with math and interface around to the point you can make 3D programming, like 3D software. I believe this is a part of the website down here, .org, like and W3C as a default HTML type or something that connects to somewhere else, like to host or something online by itself without any website building from level 1, like Webflow instead. But Java E is mostly focusing on the website server and recording down for your own business. It's nothing about hacking or anything still. which yeah, it's nothing to do with hacking. It's just like security means recording of the business security and resource and stuff like that. And socket website sockets, yeah, and XML stuff. And this is just the new one. And this one is what I'm wondering what it's supposed to be like. This is something new that I'm not sure about what the website coding looks like yet. There's something about the USB stick about how to play test the server or something like those faster. But I'm not sure how security is those because I'm not security like bad, but like I'm not that level yet. Also, I'm not sure what it really does. I'm just wandering around with it. And the fourth level of coding is C code, which is I don't really seem to seen C code like actually like how to use it. Well, it's mostly for engineers and science. This textbook what I found costs like a few $100 at least. Um, Canadian dollar, US dollar, around that low, not much money. Textbook like I found this in my Hong Kong library and yeah. Yeah, I found this in the Hong Kong library. This is like for science, it's really like I can't even read it. Like simple can't read it. And this is similar as robot engineering programming with C code, I guess. Uh, and this is the science one. I think there's a few. It's pretty common maybe in China universities that at least to the point the level that they use this CPU for science, advanced science CPU, like to test like at least like quality of the plant organic or something. Like those similar to those, like mostly for farming and testing like DNA, not really DNA, I guess, not that level, I guess. It's just like something that you made by yourself. It's not that high end, but and this is what it looks like. It doesn't look the same CPU, but it looks about the same. Yeah, it's just like the way it looks like for science threading. It says high performance architecture parallelism. It just, I think they don't want me to know it's for scientists, but it sounds it should be it because like related to materials and stuff like those. Those are like threading down the the results of the real answers of what the like the material organic how organic is how good the organic of the farming plants crops or something like those. That's why it seems like it for me. It's just a bit advanced. It's a bit hard to find it. And somewhere in Canada, like not much people is not advanced coding yet. Uh, yeah, I think basically I'm done. And I wish I can do some server programming someday at least. But that's like pretty tedious. Unless you use your own game software, like for example, like like some gaming software, like to make your own games. Then you don't have to code your own server and stuff per code. You can just yeah, like Unity and Unreal Engine and stuff like those. Then you don't have to code the server by itself. So basically that's around it, and thank you. See ya.